Hi, welcome. Today I will show you how to add outline to an image in Canva. So let's get into my computer. Actually, it's going to be a YouTube thumbnail. So let's create a design and choose YouTube thumbnail. First, let me add a color to the background. Now, to add outline to any image, you need a transparent image. So if you have a transparent image, it's okay. Otherwise, you can search transparent anything. Let me use this. To add outline, you have to click edit image. Now you have to choose shadow. You will get all these options. Now you have to choose glow effect. Now you have to click here. Now let's first change the color. Next, reduce the blur and make the transparency 100. Now you have to increase the size. Okay, also you can increase to 1. See, our outline is complete. Now let me create thumbnail out of it. So let me add some text here. As you can see, our YouTube thumbnail is ready. So thanks for watching. Must try this.